Time now for Guillermo's epic sound of the day. It is going to be epic.
Hey guys.
Hello, Guillermo.
You guys familiar with Ed Helms?
Yeah. Yes.
Yep.
Well, he was on Anna Faris's podcast, and they were talking about, you know, he had a movie coming out and red carpets and just questions that they get asked in the media and questions they like answering, questions they don't like answering. So here's him answering a question or bringing up a question that he thought was odd, and this is courtesy of Anna Faris's Unqualified and Unqualified Media.
Sometimes I would get like, what do you think about Beyonce and her twins? And it's like,
yeah, I've gotten pretty good at just deflecting a lot of that stuff. Like, I'll literally say in an interview, pass. Like, I did that the other day. Someone, I was on
I don't know if
I was on a radio, one of those morning Zoo Crew radio interview kind of thing. Yeah.
Ed, it's Zippy and the Juice.
Yeah, they just scream at you for like 10 minutes.
Hey, good morning, Ed.
And I was literally asked, do you wipe standing up or sitting down? And I just said, pass. I'd rather not just give the world that image of me. Thank you.
While we're at it, standing wiper or sitter?
Oh, my God. That's a pass.
Pass.
I'd just rather not conjure that image for anybody.
Well, the reason we ask the question is very often that standers don't know that sitters exist and sitters don't know that standers exist. And so I was hoping to surprise you. I was hoping to surprise you.
Funny.
You realize that people now have both images. Instead of no images, they've now got both of them because you've left that with them.
First of all, I mean, can we deconstruct it for a second?
Yep, let's do it.
So you gonna talk about
Does
it?
any? Well, let's not. Let's not.
I was waiting to see where you were going with this. I was excited to see where you're going.
Well, who? Do people stand up? I don't. That's a. It's a.
What if you're
What
in
if
a hurry?
you do? Sure.
And
Or what? Yeah. What if it's
or
a?
what
It's
if you
like
have a bidet that's
Sure.
positioned vertically?
Yep. There's lots of.
You
Or what if you're
mother-
using a urinal?
That's right. You tell them,
to
Dan.
go number 2. It's a very confusing. Yeah, it's a very confusing situation. But yeah, I think
Zippy
it's
and the
good to.
Bean.
I think it's good to pass occasionally.
I mean, seriously.
Wait a minute.
Next time he wants to come on the show, I'm going to pass on him.
Let this man talk.
Hangover Face came on to promote his movie, and on this wacky morning show
Zippy and the
hijinks
Bee.
thing, what did they call it?
Zippy and the Bee. Well, the first one, she said
Zippy and the Juice.
juice, but she dragged
Make
juice.
imaging, please.
She made juice.
Next segment, we come back as Zippy and the Juice. Next segment, Roy.
She dragged juice a lot, really uncomfortably long. Juice. I'm guessing that you're
Zippy.
you're Zippy.
Okay, but then you guys started talking about it, and Ed Helms still doesn't know that a lot of people in America, white privilege Ed Helms, what? Stand up and wipe. They stand up and wipe. A lot of people, not everyone does it the way that you do it.
I finally got the end in this new title.
Wait a minute. Are you, which one are you? Zippy or the
It
Juice?
doesn't matter. There's
you're
an end
Zippy.
there. Yes.
It doesn't matter. Your name is on the show.
You're Zippy. He's the juice. With S at the end.
You're not allowed to rip our morning hijinks, morning zoo show and then use it for content while you guys wonder aloud whether or not there's such a thing as standing wipers. We were doing that 5 years ago, Ed Helms. Catch up, man. Mike Ryan is telling me that ESPN has produced something for us. I don't really understand what he's telling me. What has ESPN produced for us?
You know all those liners and promos that air during commercial breaks sort of outlining, hey, this is what the Will Kane Show is all about. Tune in. Well, someone at ESPN kindly produced a Zippy and the Juice promo. And we're trying to convince them, hey, just put that in the system and let it rotate through normal ESPN radio breaks without any sort of explanation.
One of those morning Zoo Crew radio interview kind of thing.
Hey, Zippy and the Juice.
Yeah, they just scream at you for like 10 minutes.
And now you're on with Zippy.
Which one are you, Zippy or the
It
Juice?
doesn't matter. There's an end there.
A lot of people in America, white privilege Ed Helms. Wait, what? Hangover Face. This wacky morning show
Zippy and the
hijinks
Bee.
thing.
And the Juice.
Juice.
Zippy and the Juice.
Stand up and white.
They're crazy.
You're not allowed to rip our morning hijinks morning zoo show
They're zany.
and then use it for content while you guys wonder aloud whether or not there's such a thing as standing wipers.
It's Zippy
I finally got the end in this new title.
and the Juice on ESPN Radio.
Yeah, just put it right there next to Will Cain's. I'll tell you the top 5 cities that have better franchises than the Raiders. I like that. Do you think they'll put it in the rotation?
No. Baby steps, Dad.
What do you mean baby steps? You're going to be on Countdown.
Yeah.
What baby steps?
That's a
10
good
years
point.
for that to happen.
It did. Baby steps. Started with, a little Mike and Mike,
Yeah.
First Take once in a while, your
Sports
show
Center.
occasionally, Sports Center, and now we're graduating.
Megacast, warming up.
Monday Night Football, here I go.
There it goes.
Yeah.
There's an opening.